Are you a member of the African diaspora looking to reconnect with your roots or expand your global freedom? Today we're exploring 15 countries that offer dual citizenship opportunities. Let's dive right in. Our journey begins with a look at nations opening their arms to the diaspora, offering pathways back to the continent and a reconnection with heritage. These countries recognize the profound impact of the transatlantic slave trade and the enduring bonds that connect people of African descent worldwide. Number 1. Ghana proudly leads the charge with its pioneering Right of Return program. This initiative is specifically designed for descendants of enslaved Africans, offering them not just a chance to visit, but a pathway to becoming Ghanaian citizens and truly call Africa home. Ghana sees this as a vital step in repairing historical injustices and fostering a stronger sense of Pan-African unity. The program provides a unique opportunity to rediscover roots, contribute to the nation's growth, and embrace a rich cultural heritage. It's more than just a visa, it's an invitation to belong. Ghana's commitment extends beyond legislation. It's woven into the fabric of its national identity, welcoming the diaspora with open arms and a spirit of reconciliation. Number 2 on our list is Sierra Leone, a nation that has embraced a cutting-edge approach to citizenship. Sierra Leone offers citizenship based on genetic lineage, determined through DNA testing. This innovative program allows individuals to prove their African ancestry and claim their rightful place as citizens of Sierra Leone. It's a powerful testament to the enduring legacy of the diaspora and a forward-thinking approach to repatriation. The DNA testing initiative not only provides a pathway to citizenship, but also fosters a deeper understanding of individual and collective histories. It's a chance to connect with ancestral roots in a tangible and meaningful way, contributing to the vibrant tapestry of Sierra Leonean society. This program acknowledges the complexities of identity and offers a unique opportunity for those seeking to reconnect with their African heritage. Moving on to the Caribbean. Number 3. The Bahamas extends a welcoming hand through its citizenship laws. The Bahamas grants dual citizenship to those born abroad to Bahamian parents. This policy ensures that the children of Bahamians living overseas maintain their connection to their homeland and are entitled to all the rights and privileges of Bahamian citizens. It's a recognition of the global nature of families and the importance of preserving cultural ties across borders. The Bahamas, with its stunning natural beauty and vibrant culture, offers a unique opportunity to embrace island life while maintaining a strong connection to one's heritage. This policy strengthens the bonds between the diaspora and the homeland, fostering a sense of belonging and shared identity. Number 4. Barbados, another gem in the Caribbean, offers multiple avenues for those seeking to connect with their heritage. Barbados allows dual citizenship for those with Barbadian ancestry, making it easier for descendants to claim their birthright. But that's not all. They also offer their innovative Welcome Stamp program. This program allows individuals to live and work remotely in Barbados for an extended period, providing a taste of island life and a chance to explore the island's rich culture and history. It's an invitation to experience the warmth and hospitality of Barbadian society while contributing to the local economy. The Welcome Stamp program is particularly appealing to digital nomads and entrepreneurs seeking a change of scenery and a vibrant community. Barbados offers a unique blend of opportunity and relaxation, making it an attractive destination for those seeking to reconnect with their roots and embrace a new way of life. And finally, number 5, Jamaica, the land of reggae and vibrant culture, offers a straightforward path to citizenship for those with familial ties. Jamaica offers citizenship by descent if your parent or grandparent is Jamaican. This policy makes it a favorite for those seeking a cultural connection to the island and a chance to immerse themselves in its rich heritage. Jamaica's vibrant music scene, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality make it an irresistible destination for those seeking to reconnect with their roots. The island's strong sense of community and its commitment to preserving its cultural heritage create a welcoming environment for the diaspora. Whether it's exploring the bustling streets of Kingston or relaxing on the pristine beaches of Montego Bay, Jamaica offers a unique and unforgettable experience for those seeking to embrace their Jamaican identity. At number 6, we have Nigeria. This vibrant and dynamic nation grants citizenship by descent, a policy that's proving to be a powerful draw for its diaspora. For generations, Nigerians have ventured across the globe, building lives and communities far from their ancestral homeland. Now many of these diaspora members are feeling the pull to reconnect with Africa's most populous nation, drawn by the promise of belonging and the opportunity to contribute to Nigeria's burgeoning future. The country's rich cultural heritage, its economic potential, and the warmth of its people are all contributing factors in this growing trend. We're seeing a resurgence of interest in Nigerian roots, with individuals and families eager to rediscover their heritage, invest in the country's development, and forge lasting bonds with their Nigerian counterparts. This renewed connection is not just beneficial for the diaspora members themselves, but also for Nigeria, as it gains access to a wealth of talent, expertise, and resources from its global community. The government is actively encouraging this reconnection, implementing policies and programs designed to facilitate the return and integration of diaspora members, recognizing the invaluable role they can play in shaping Nigeria's future. From bustling cityscapes to serene rural landscapes, Nigeria offers a diverse range of opportunities for those seeking to reconnect with their roots and contribute to the nation's growth. Coming in at number 7 is Brazil. This South American giant recognizes dual citizenship, a significant factor for individuals with ties to other nations. But beyond its citizenship policies, Brazil boasts a deep and profound African heritage, particularly evident in the state of Bahia. Bahia, often referred to as the African heart of Brazil, is a vibrant tapestry of African traditions, music, dance, and cuisine. The legacy of the transatlantic slave trade is deeply woven into the fabric of Brazilian society, and Bahia stands as a testament to the resilience and cultural contributions of the African diaspora. From the rhythmic beats of samba to the spiritual practices of candomblé, African influences are palpable throughout Bahia's cultural landscape. The state's historical sites, such as Pelourinho in Salvador, serve as poignant reminders of Brazil's complex past and the enduring legacy of its African ancestors. Brazil's recognition of dual citizenship, coupled with its rich African heritage, makes it an attractive destination for individuals seeking to connect with their roots and embrace a multicultural identity. The country's vibrant arts scene, its stunning natural beauty, and the warmth of its people all contribute to its allure as a place to call home. At number 8, we find the Dominican Republic. This Caribbean nation permits dual citizenship and offers a relatively straightforward path to naturalization, requiring just 2 years of residency. This makes it an appealing option for individuals seeking to establish a new life in a country that embraces dual nationality. The Dominican Republic's welcoming attitude towards foreigners, combined with its stunning natural beauty and vibrant culture, has made it a popular destination for expats and retirees alike. The country's rich history, its diverse population, and its strategic location in the Caribbean all contribute to its appeal. From the bustling capital city of Santo Domingo to the tranquil beaches of Punta Cana, the Dominican Republic offers a diverse range of experiences for those seeking to immerse themselves in its culture and way of life. The relatively short residency requirement for naturalization makes it an attractive option for individuals seeking to obtain Dominican citizenship while maintaining their existing nationality. The country's warm climate, its affordable cost of living, and its friendly people all contribute to its allure as a place to call home. Securing the number 9 spot is Trinidad and Tobago. This twin island nation allows dual citizenship, a policy that reflects its unique mix of African and Indian cultures. This blend of cultures is evident in every aspect of Trinidadian and Tobagonian life, from its cuisine to its music to its religious practices. The annual carnival celebration is a vibrant expression of this cultural fusion, drawing visitors from around the world to experience its infectious energy and colorful displays. The steel pan, a musical instrument invented in Trinidad and Tobago, is a symbol of the nation's creativity and innovation. The country's diverse communities, including those of African, Indian, European, and Chinese descent, contribute to its rich cultural tapestry. Trinidad and Tobago's welcoming attitude towards dual citizenship, combined with its vibrant culture and stunning natural beauty, makes it an attractive destination for individuals seeking to embrace a multicultural identity. The country's thriving art scene, its delicious cuisine, and its friendly people all contribute to its allure as a place to call home. Finally, at number 10, we have Ethiopia. This ancient nation offers a special yellow card for foreign-born Ethiopians, a unique initiative that essentially grants permanent residency to diaspora members. This card provides a pathway for individuals of Ethiopian descent to live, work, and invest in Ethiopia without the need for a visa. It's a powerful symbol of Ethiopia's commitment to welcoming back its diaspora and harnessing their skills and resources for the country's development. The Yellow Card program is designed to facilitate the return and integration of diaspora members, providing them with access to various services and opportunities. Ethiopia's rich history, its stunning landscapes, and its vibrant culture are all contributing factors in attracting diaspora members back to their ancestral homeland. The country's growing economy and its strategic location in East Africa also make it an attractive destination for investment and business opportunities. The Yellow Card program is a testament to Ethiopia's recognition of the invaluable role that its diaspora can play in shaping the nation's future. At number 11, we have South Africa. This nation stands out for its progressive stance on citizenship, allowing dual citizenship with formal permission. This policy is particularly appealing, resonating deeply with its Pan-African ethos, a spirit of unity and collaboration that extends across the African continent and its diaspora. South Africa's embrace of dual citizenship reflects its commitment to inclusivity and its recognition of the valuable contributions that individuals with ties to multiple nations can bring. The country's rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes make it an attractive destination for those seeking a new home or a place to reconnect with their roots. The government's efforts to streamline the citizenship process further enhance its appeal, making it easier for individuals to navigate the legal requirements and become fully integrated members of South African society. This commitment to inclusivity and progress makes South Africa a beacon of hope and opportunity in the global landscape. Coming in at number 12 is Antigua and Barbuda. This idyllic Caribbean nation offers a unique blend of heritage-based and investment citizenship options. For those with ancestral ties, the Heritage Pathway provides a direct route to citizenship, allowing individuals to reconnect with their family history and embrace their cultural identity. Alternatively, the investment option offers a streamlined process for individuals who make a significant financial contribution to the country's economy. This investment can take various forms such as purchasing real estate, investing in local businesses, or contributing to a national development fund. Antigua and Barbuda's citizenship program is renowned for its efficiency and transparency, making it an attractive option for individuals seeking a second passport and enhanced global mobility. The country's stunning natural beauty, warm climate, and vibrant culture further enhance its appeal, making it a desirable place to live, work, and raise a family. At number 13 we find Kenya, a nation that has undergone significant legal reforms to embrace dual citizenship. Recognizing the immense potential of its diaspora, Kenya actively welcomes investment and engagement from its citizens living abroad. This commitment is reflected in its policies and initiatives aimed at facilitating diaspora contributions to the country's economic and social development. Kenya's vibrant economy, strategic location, and diverse culture make it an attractive destination for investors and individuals seeking new opportunities. The government's efforts to improve infrastructure, promote education, and foster innovation further enhance its appeal. By embracing dual citizenship and actively engaging with its diaspora, Kenya is positioning itself as a leader in the region and a key player in the global economy. The country's rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality make it a truly unique and welcoming place to call home. Number 14 on our list is Grenada, the Spice Isle of the Caribbean. Grenada offers dual citizenship through both heritage and investment pathways, providing options for individuals with ancestral ties or those seeking to contribute to the nation's economy. The Heritage Pathway allows individuals with Grenadian ancestry to reclaim their citizenship, reconnecting them with their family history and cultural heritage. The Investment Pathway offers a streamlined process for individuals who make a qualifying investment in Grenada, such as purchasing real estate or contributing to a national development fund. Grenada's citizenship program is known for its efficiency and transparency, making it an attractive option for individuals seeking a second passport and enhanced global mobility. The island's stunning natural beauty, warm climate, and friendly people further enhance its appeal, making it a desirable place to live, work, and invest. Finally, at number 15 we have Liberia. This nation, with its unique history as a country founded by formerly enslaved Black Americans, has reformed its citizenship laws to facilitate easier diaspora reclamation. Recognizing the importance of its diaspora in the nation's development, Liberia has implemented policies to streamline the citizenship process for those seeking to return and contribute to their ancestral homeland. This commitment to inclusivity and reconciliation is a testament to Liberia's resilience and its determination to build a brighter future for all its citizens. The country's rich cultural heritage, abundant natural resources, and strategic location make it an attractive destination for investors and individuals seeking new opportunities. By embracing its diaspora and fostering a welcoming environment, Liberia is positioning itself as a leader in the region and a beacon of hope for the African continent. Whether you're seeking heritage connection, global freedom, or new opportunities, these 15 countries offer more than citizenship. They offer belonging. Which country interests you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more diaspora content.